Now here's the next video.
Alright. We're making one right now?
Yep. Look at its teeth. Wait, where's its teeth? Its teeth.
It can bite you.
Oh. Oh, really?
Makes some weird noises.
Oh, what the heck? I guess this is as high as we go.
See if we can climb.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. People are watching.
Yeah.
It's like school. They have camera everywhere.
Exactly.
I swear, they probably have cameras in the potty room.
Oh.
Checking your junk out. Touch this.
Touch it?
Yeah.
Feels interesting.
I know. I want to get a waterfall in my backyard.
Me too. That'd be cool.
I would swim in it. And get some huge fishies.
What if someone fell in here? I'd kind of laugh, but then feel bad.
I'd laugh, feel bad, and then want to fall in with them.
Yeah. Because you laughed.
Because I laughed and then I'd fall in and everything would be wrong.
Yeah.
Like Justin Bieber's haircut.